How do I stop a panic attack? Hi everybody, I am Dr. Rashmi, a therapist, holistic health coach and a doctor. So here is what you need to remember. Panic attacks come and go. You are safe and these pass. Okay, panic attacks feel like a heart attack and racing heart and shortness of breath or dizziness and fear of dying also is part of the experience. But they are your body's fight or flight overdrive. Usually they peak in 10 minutes. So, therapeutically, here's the key. Acceptance is the key. Don't fight the sensation. That fuels them to come more and intensify. So say inwardly that this is anxiety and it will pass. So here's a simple grounding technique you can practice. That is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Name 5 things you see and 4 you can touch, 3 you can hear and 2 you can smell and 1 you taste. This pulls you back to the present. Otherwise, when we are experiencing panic attack, we are constantly in the future and worrying about something that has no control of mind. So, how do we physiologically experience this? It slows your breathing. So, hyperventilations worsens it. So, that is you breathe less, then your panic attack enhances more. So what we can do is try diaphragmatic breathing. That is hand on your belly. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 count and exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 count. Repeat until you feel more calmer. If frequent, rule out medical mimics like low blood pressure or heart issues. So how do we anchor in the moment? Hold ice in your hand. Cold shocks actually bring your system to reset. So sip cold water or use lavender essential oil on wrists for feeling calmer. Prevent with daily tools like pranayama or altered nostril breathing, which reduces the overall anxiety. And constant regular practice of yoga, exercise and grounding energy really helps us to manage this panic attack well. If attacks disrupt your life, like you avoid going to people or avoid going to places or you constantly experience fear, then seek help. Because under the guidance, exposure therapy really builds your confidence, and medications under short term period can also be helpful when your case is very severe. Lifestyle modifications like magnesium rich food, which are like spinach or almonds, can be a great help. Time in nature and help you recover better. So here is something that we are all going to try together now. Breathe with me. Place your hands on the abdomen and then take in deep breath. Hold it. Then gradually release. You are stronger than this moment. Share your experience in the comments below. Let's support each other. You are not alone. Take that first breath today and you can or we can work on the anxiety together. Don't forget to reach out to me and share your experiences in the comment below. Thank you. Have a blessed day.